When you try your best but you don't succeed. When you get what you want but not what you need. When you feel so tired but you can't sleep.
It's hard to wake up when the shades have been pulled shut. This house is haunted, it's so pathetic, it makes no sense at all. I'm ripe with things to say, the words rot and fall away. What stupid poem could fix this home? I'd read it every day.
So here's your holiday. Hope you enjoy it this time. You gave it all away. It was mine. So when you're dead and gone, will you remember this night? 20 years now lost. It's not right.
Their anger hurts my ears. Been running strong for 7 years. Rather than fix the problems, they never solve them. It makes no sense at all. I see them every day. We get along, so why can't they? If this is what he wants and it's what she wants, then why is there so much pain?
So here's your holiday. Hope you enjoy it this time. You gave it all away. It was mine. So when you're dead and gone, will you remember this night? 20 years now lost. It's not right.
follow the sun and which way the wind blows when this day is done. Breathe in the air, set your intentions, dream with care. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone, and a brand new moon and brand new sun. Follow the sun, the direction of the birds, the direction of love. Breathe in the air.
Sorry guys, to stop Keeks there, this man was
Cherish this
singing.
moment, cherish this breath.
Got a beautiful voice, almost like an angel.
I know if trading doesn't work out, bro, I'll go back to idols.
Kiki. Alrighty. Alright, Chad, we are trading with faith. We are prayed up. We have got a lot of faith, and we're going to get straight into it. We are still trading headlines. Okay. We are still trading. I honestly don't know what's going on there, Keeks. I don't know. Do you have like a scoop of the ceasefire is extended indefinitely? Iran says they don't want a ceasefire. Trump is still blockading a lot of their ships. I don't know, guys. I honestly...
At this point, I've given up.
Strait is open. Strait is closed. It's back open again. They close it again. It's a free for all. But weirdly enough, we've created a very robust system called Valtech Geeks. I don't know if you know it.
I've heard of it, bro.
Very, very robust. Very, very robust. It's weird that as soon as we hit a Valtech level last night, that Trump would announce the extended ceasefire, and then my TP got slipped. So that's always nice. Instead of a 2R, someone grab a 3R. Almost fell out of my bed, but that is... Gigs, it is what it is, and
bro, someone's got to do it.
I'm thankful for it. I'm all here for it. And then you still clap it to R&B. Honestly, the most robust system I think we've created. With the liquidity model engaged with the Valtech, I think
It's not doing too bad.
I think poverty is your choice then. Alright. Project G, price just went up. It will change from next week. Higgs, you said $500 a month. Eh?
They're in for a surprise.
$500 per month.
And I think people genuinely think we joke about it, but we really are going to start capping Project G.
Okay, now I'm joking. Chips, 100%.
Yeah.
So I think we're very close to the cap where we're going to cap it. So if you're in, you're in. If you're not in, you're not in. And then it will be an application process to get in. So you will apply. There will be a questionnaire. We'll look at it. Okay. Straight off hormones. Keeks, is there anything that's looking good for you, my brother?
No. Gold, I won't lie to you, I have to wait quite a bit to get confirmations there. And obviously I don't trade indices in London. So for me, I am vibing here, bro.
Okay. I've got a little something. Let's just quickly look at CPI coming out a little bit softer than expected, but month on month coming out hot. I think that's Brian furnishing his new place there in Britannica. So every time he goes on a spree, like inflation goes up, and then when he starts trading again, it drops down. So Brian just stimulating the economy there in the UK. Relatively straightforward day today, guys. So let's quickly have a look here. Dollar index on the daily. We had quite a nice bullish candle closure yesterday. Still somewhat in a chop here. I want to rely here on some of our value areas to give me some idea of where we can go and where we cannot go. So for me, it's a very, very simple outlook here this morning, is that I am range bound on the dollar. So this is my range up until we get breakouts from these levels. I'm expecting us to bounce to and fro. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna, I have to just get us a playlist that can, oh, the old faithful Brokeback Mountain. Okay, so I'm relatively range bound in this area. Looking for buys there, looking for sells there. If we start breaking out, then I can look at something, but up until then, I'm expecting range on the dollar. So if you want to take a screenshot of this, take a screenshot now. If you were locked in yesterday morning, you should have had a phenomenal day. Go look at the levels we shared. Phenomenal day. Not to blow our own horn, but incredible day. US 30 somewhat of a bearish candle closure. We spoke about this key level where we had almost 8 days of rejection, and now we've had 2 days of rejection. At one stage we are going to break through there. When, I don't know. Okay, we initially had a nice little breakout from that level, that daily level, breakout, retest, holding new high, and then absolutely getting crushed. And then I took my longs from there. Okay, the level I shared with you guys yesterday was this level here. All right, certain entry criteria we have for Project G, they would know, but if I just show them, they know exactly why I took that trade. Let me go on the 1 minute. Project G, do you guys see? You guys see that? Okay, see that trade right there. Beautiful. All right. So what am I expecting? What am I expecting today? I'm expecting range. Okay, range high. Sell from there.
Oh, bro, he doesn't like some good range.
Nothing wrong with the range. Anything is you need to wait. Okay, that is the range we're in. We're going to have to get some breakouts. We've got quite a few levels to the downside that's untapped. That one has been tapped, but the rest have been untapped. And yeah, that's literally what I'm going to wait for. I'm going to not even trade yesterday's point of control. I'll set my alerts, but sells there, buys there. If we break out, then you look for the continuation. Take a screenshot now. 3, 2, 1. Nasdaq, a little bit of a daily pause candle. We're still above all-time highs, still looking relatively bullish. Nasdaq as well, same thing for me. We are range bound. Okay, range high. Look for sells there. Okay. Range low. Look for buys there. Same thing, if we break out, then it's a breakout trade. Up until then, range bound price action. Okay, let me do that. Beautiful. Gold on the daily Daily closed bearish yesterday. Closure back inside of this range. Right, so we could trade lower today. Let's see where we are relative range as well. Range. Hello range, my old friend. Same thing, looking for sells there. Looking for buys there. Project G, I just want to tell you guys, if you trade this strategy, set your alerts and wait. You guys know exactly what we want to do at the levels. Wait, okay? Some of you are over trading and you're not waiting. Sometimes you wait the entire day and you get 3 trades right within a space of 30 minutes. Some days you're going to wait and you're not going to get anything. But if you are disciplined, there's no reason for you to not be up 10 hours this week already. And it's Wednesday morning, going into our 5th session. So set your alerts, wait. Don't try and be cute and do little things in between. Okay, that's gold. BTC, same thing for me here is we spoke about that weekly breakout. We spoke about this weekly breakout trend line. One of my students started following me again after many years yesterday, Keeks.
Yeah.
Tory trades. So she's just acknowledging again that I made trend lines great again. I might get her on as a special guest for us guys. Tory. What is this line here? This is from Saturday. Alrighty guys, we are bullish on BTC. Okay, while we're above here, this is our bull line. Okay, so I'm either gonna look for continuation buys above here, not looking for sells. Either gonna look for continuation or reversal buys there and down here. Okay, it's a little bit too close for comfort here, but we'll see how we open up. BTC as well, there was your level yesterday that I shared with you guys in the morning stream. Perfectly tapped, reverse 2R trade just there. But yeah, this is what I'm looking for on BTC. And then DAXI. We are effectively range bound now, but that is our bullish area there, looking for buys. DAXI also yesterday finding some beautiful support right at that level we shared. Okay, and then perfectly finding resistance there, but nonetheless we are bullish. So I want to look for potential buys here. Bearish if we break out back below, and then yeah, I'm just bullish while we are inside of this block. All right, this is our bullish block. Bullish still above there, bearish down below. So purely looking for buys here this morning up until we break out. Then I will revise my outlook. But Keeks, that's a lot of waiting.
Hey bro, I don't have much to give the guys here today, so it's not a problem. Let's dive in guys. DXY starting off, and as I said, just neutral. There's not much we can get here. We did close back above monthly S1. But now we need to basically wait and see if it holds. So at the end of the day, it's still a neutral position for us right now. When you look at it like this, almost a little intro high over there we took out, and once we took it, immediately coming back. And that's why I say on a daily time frame we need to still wait to see pullbacks, see if we can hold now above the monthly S1 to bounce to continue bullish, or if we fail we go back bearish again. So still gonna have to wait and see before we can change ideas. But for now, that's pretty much going to be it with the dollar. Indices side of things, also very much all over the place. All-time high play yesterday, if I'm correct. Didn't actually do much. Gave you a little bit of a pump and then reversed. Not a trade we took yesterday, so we were already on our own mission. But had the trade, had the sell-off, and then there was our trade again, the buys at that point, which we took. What else? Going into today, it's going to be a bit of a trickier one, but I do think if we sit here and we look at it, I'm still going to have to remain a little bit on the bullish side, guys. So see what happens there. We did have that bearish pullback, but hold it. And one thing we spoke about with the last one is not trying to take out these little bit of lows there, but when we do look at bodily closures, we still are closing high up the whole time, and we can always see that little bit of a trend there, just in honor of Cribbo and Tory coming back together. So we can still see that going bullish. The highs are going to be run again as it stands right now. As much as we ran the highs, all-time highs yesterday, it was all massive wick, where at this point in time it's there. So one thing I'd want to take and pay attention to, especially on the 4 hour, is where do we close. If we fail under that bodily closure, so we test into this and we close underneath, I am going to then be looking for sells to the downside, especially to the EQ, if EQ gives possible wick fills. But if we can close this 4 hour above here, that's where I'll be looking for that buy continuation later on. Okay, so that's going to be in a short side, NAS or indices. And then gold very, very choppy. When we start looking here on the daily, again guys, this does not look good. There is still volume in it, but it is just
there's no 4 hour play today, Keeks.
No 4 hour play. So where it's even sitting now, obviously at a massive bearish engulfing candle, we've basically just slowly starting to reverse that candle. So again, cancel reject over here, can't look at grabber plays, EQ's in the middle of the range. So going to be quite interesting. As I said, for me personally, I need to see a little bit more of a pullback. So I'm going to be ideally looking for anything, because of where we're at, I'm going to be looking for a bit of a pullback, probably around weekly pivot, and around this area looking for breaks back under or breaks above and continuation. But yeah, just going to have to take it slow today. Nothing really setting up too much for me, but that is everything for me, guys.
Keeks, that was beautiful. Chad, sorry, you guys are fine with our alert sound? The sexy.
Oh.
Okay, you guys are happy with that. Thanks. I still want to know who at TradingView said we're going to make that. Imagine you can put your own things in there. See?
And we'll be on side quests. Let's see here, guys. Please clip that sound actually and use it.
Okay. Okay, let me.
Let's see. Use that sound for every TP hit.
JR. Says my sleep score is 87, but yo,
You feeling it there, bro?
I've been running again.
Hey.
My little body is 86, good quality. Let me see how much RAM I got. Oh, it's because my body battery is at 70. That's why. Let me see what the sleep score looks like. Okay, 1 hour 40 minutes REM, 1 hour 30 deep, 4.5 light.
Nice kicks, keys. That looks sick. Shot, brother.
36 milliseconds, average overnight HRV. What is your HRV, Keys?
What the hell's HRV?
Heart rate variability. It's the milliseconds between your two beats, like that.
Where do I find that?
Oh, sorry, man. You've got a Apple Ultra. It's only for Garmin Phoenix users.
So it comes with
Nah, I'm
the
joking.
light package.
No, I think you guys have a HRV
Yeah, but I'm sorry, where must I find it?
on your app. I think it will give it to you on your app. It will give you your HRV.
But I'm saying what, like the heart, the health?
No, sleep. At your sleep score. You sleep with yours.
No, I haven't slept with it in a while.
I don't know, then you won't have it. Lowest respiration, 9 breaths per minute. Average 15 breaths per minute.
It all keys on the health app. But let's have a look here.
Okay, 2 minutes for the opener.
What am I looking for again?
HRV.
HRV.
Not HIV. HRV.
Okay, it's not on the heart. What's this one?
6.
Let's have a look here. Health. Mental health questionnaire. Don't need that. Confirm your health details. Make sure your health features. HRV. 91.
Huh? Let me see. Give me that. That's impossible.
What?
Give me that. Let me see. Okay, your average is 50, 53. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, that's good. You know how to use it. If your HRV starts to drop, that's when you start to get sick. Like flu and stuff. Chad, markets are open and in motion. This is the official round 5, believe it or not.
Yeah.
Ding, ding, ding.
Chris, your Garmin versus iWatch. Which battery lasts longer? I know
Ryan.
it depends on what.
Brian, what do you think?
Right, that is the only battle he can win. He's
Brian,
got
what do
bloody
you,
solar panels on his.
Brian, what do you think? Every 32 days I charge my Garmin.
That's like literally asking the one question they know they can win at.
Bro, the thing is, I sometimes lose my charger. You saw I lose my charger because I just don't charge it.
Yeah, bro, this is that
The
whole
Garmin.
thing where it's like... See, the thing with Garmin's, bro, it's the same as like the Samsung users. You're going to brag to me about a feature you have that you use never in your life.
Okay, no, but the battery is important, bro. Let's be honest here.
Bro, this
It's
thing's battery lasts me 3 days. I can find a charger
3
in 3
days.
days.
3 days.
Nah, Fubs, this thing is a beaut, bro. I love this thing. It is incredible.
No, it is a nice watch. No, it is a nice watch.
Battery is everyday feature, Brian, but I can find a charger. Every day I've got electricity.
Yeah, my Apple Watch I had sucked. Every day I have to charge it. That thing was...
Get an Ultra.
Then I've got a Phoenix Ultra. Keeks will one day understand the
I will not
Garmin.
go to Garmin, bro.
He will understand one day why the Garmin is superior.
That I don't think is gonna happen.
Alrighty guys, we will just have to be very patient here. I've set alerts. So up until we hit our levels, we are just gonna chill here. Okay, let's see what one of my employees, one of my analysts, Keeks.
Yeah.
He's got a CFA 30, and he just sent me his report. And what he's saying is upside, downside, bull, bear. Let's see.
I was gonna say, bro, I think you can tell your analysts that actually helped us 0% there.
No, I was just reading the bolds. Okay, yeah, he told me. So my analyst said Keeg's line in the sand for us is here. He said above this level, bulls are back in control for 800. Oh, Tesla's reporting tonight.
What are you worried about, bro?
Yes, bro, how are you up 70% and I only up like 30%? Ah, Tessie! Come on, Elon. Do it for the boys. IBM and Boeing report today as well.
How the hell did that work?
Whatever now. Did your heart rate variability just drop?
No, on the business. 20. Follow that. Dun.
Okay, my analyst said above 24,600 we bull on DAX, and he said below 24,400 we bear.
Okay.
This is what he told me now. So he said this is our no trade range. And then he said for Bitcoin, he said anything above 77. This one, yeah, he said bull. So he agrees with me on that. And he also said that BTC is leading Nasdaq today. So he said there's a correlation.
Very talkative today.
He said Nasdaq and Dow and BTC bid overnight, risk on bounce. Gold also bid, market aging, ceasefire expiry. DAX is the independent read today because of UK CPI. Don't stack long exposure across NQY and BTC without sizing down. The Tesla print tonight can wipe a winning day in minutes. Okay. It says daily loss limit preset, size 75% overnight, overbought bounce, plus 3 binary events equals keep powder dry. So it's got a little sense of humor as well, like keeping the powder dry.
I see this.
No NQYM positions after 9. Tesla's tape is a risk. Any Iran headlines flatten commodity gold exposure. And then it just gave me a little note here, Keeks. It said the bottom line today is a trade the reaction, not the prediction day. 3 binary events stacked, cleanest setups, DAX post UK CPI at 9. Then NQYM orb at the open with reduced size, flattened before Tesla at 2230. Respect the overboard NQ RSI, bounces into resistance, can fade fast. Good hunting, Chris. Thanks, my brother. There we go. Some analysts said we trade the reaction. Bro, London has actually been shocking, dude.
Bro. I'll give it to you though, because you still try and trade it.
Like I told Brian yesterday, Kicks, I'm a man of the people.
Man of the people.
I'm here for the people. Yo, bro, it's dead. No, it's really like dead, Keeks. I think my chart's frozen. Yo, it feels like we've been half an hour into the open, but it's only been 10 minutes, so might as well get my laptop out as well. So let's send some emails or something.
I don't need to wait for other people to join me. The things that bring me joy. 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 The things that bring me joy.
Gotta be productive, yeah, bro.
The things that bring me joy. The things that bring me joy. The things that bring me joy. The things that bring me joy.
Brian, I am a level 3 feed, my brother.
On the order flow is flat for London levels, you got really yes anymore. Out your grinding, Chad.
I don't know why I look at it. It's almost like when you open up the fridge, you know, there's nothing in there. But you walk past it, you just open it. Maybe miraculously there was something else. This is me going through the charts. It's like opening up the fridge door.
The more you look at it, you're just hoping something's gonna
It's like,
appear.
bro, there's nothing that you don't even know yourself what you want in the fridge. Keeks, what do you rate? Do you think we take this newer one? 5K, that's with everything.
And where is that from?
That's from Amazon US.
How long is delivery gonna take?
8th of May. How much more is the Take a Lot one? Not a lot more though, eh?
No, I think it was
Let's check here quickly.
I don't need to wait for other people to join me. The things that bring me joy. The things that bring me joy. The things that bring me joy. The things that bring me joy.
6-4. That's basically the same as Timmons one, eh?
yeah.
Hey, Iguana.
Sorry, man. Yeah, that is the same one.
What did Timmons say? Is this the real one?
I didn't ask him on that.
Well, not the real one. You said there's one that's not good. Something with the cable.
No, the other one is it's the one above it.
Oh. Six four. Teleprompter. But it's weird, Keys. Why does this one look like it doesn't have a camera spot? Check that.
Go to the
I think it's maybe just a flap.
yeah.
Anyone have a teleprompter they want to sell to us at a discounted rate? Young teleprompter.
Gold sells from 72.
Who's that, Jen?
Chen.
Oh, Jenny. Jen, but you can't share the gold sell once you're deep into profit. That's not how it works. Or did you share it earlier?
I'm not sure.
Because you can't top tick and then after you're deep in the blues. Okay, she did. Okay, Jenny. There we go, guys. This is from Jen. Oh, Jen. Oh, Jenny. Just the absolute menace on the charts. Now, I'm joking, Jen. You know, I'm an idiot like that. Don't stress. We love you, Jen.
You just gotta just ignore him sometimes.
Okay, let's see.
Second time tap, so I wasn't sure. Yo, guys, these markets are slowly but grinding away.
Waiting for customer.
Sure.
Just screenshot this to the boys.
Yo. Gold doing a slow, painful grind, yeah.
Bro, don't you think we've got the times wrong or something? Like this, surely this can't be like what?
You're just in denial now.
Bro, this is
Can't
like
be.
micro volume. Little microchasm. All I'm waiting for now, Kicks, is that that I know we in the zone. In the zone.
Come on. You guys think gold will get to 5,000? Eventually. Not anytime soon, but eventually.
Have we not tapped 5k before?
Nah,
Oh no,
I
we
think
have.
he means just like now.
Oh,
isn't
in
it?
general.
Back up,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Please don't tell me you bought at 5. You're still holding drawdown. Oh no, it's Raven. Okay. Usually when guys ask that, it's
You should come to Namibia and make a seminar.
I want to do a seminar in Namibia because the people of Namibia have accepted me as their own, and even the German people see me as their leader. So I definitely wanna come there.
Is that what we're going with?
No, I love the people of Namibia. A good friend of mine that played 2 World Cups for Namibia, Tommaso Forbes. Okay. Just I've got a headache, Keeks. A headache, my bro.
Headache.
A headache. I think they're waiting for some headline, bro. And my analyst did say that. She said, react, don't predict.
So he was right. Is that what you're saying?
Bro, I would love to hunt in Namibia, dude. Yo, it's beautiful there. Daco, ken jy nie 'n paar boere daar as ons net 'n stukkie bok aan die nek klappie? Ja, sê dit sal klas wees. Sê Jaggie kan reël. Sisa, Keeks. 'n Jaggie en dan na dit kan ons 'n visvangkie reël daar vir Brian. Bietjie vis, bietjie jag. Now I think we have to do that. If Chronic might work German. How the Germans. I will definitely for a gemsbokkie. Come to Nelspruit, we go to Komati for tigerfish. Keeks, wait, let me check how far it is.
What, Namibia?
Ja. Waar is die plaas? Chronica? Just bro, that, I would make a week of it. We go up to the seminar, Port Elizabeth, to Namibia. Oh, it's not that far. 1,800 kilometers. So it's basically like Joburg back to Oh, that's not bad. Only thing is we'll need to... Yeah, but I'll organize that for the meet. Then we clap it here through Janssenville, Maritzburg, Victoria West. Roy Puts, Keetmanshoop, Outdoor, okay. Let's check how. Yo, Dhaka just added 400k, so it's 2-2. That's pretty far. It might. Oh, Dhaka het my nou 'n spot hier. Want ons gaan dalk soos 'n 10-dae trip met rail dan. Because you're gonna drive for a day. If we take turns, so you're gonna literally drive for 24 hours.
Yeah.
So I'll do 6, you do 6, 6, 6, like that. Or we just leave the meet there and fly, bro. I can't drive that far. Especially with you, bro. You make me nervous.
Well, you're driving's a nervous one, yeah.
Bro, you make me nervous, Geeks. I don't know. I think it's because you're still so young.
Bro, this is the thing, guys. Listen to this. This man will be like, oh, bro, just slow down, eh? 140. He comes in, and then, yeah, he's clapping 160.
Yo, Geeks had me nervous there at one stage. But I loved when, bro, the best for me was when you overtook that truck. And we couldn't see. I thought I was in heaven. I'm just waiting for us to get struck by another truck. Keegan's like, nah, bro. I already saw their head. Like, we just need to blitz through this mist. Can't see anything, bro. But you were passing on faith there. I have to.
Wasn't, bro.
Bro, that was a faith pass, and I respect you for that.
Bro, you're going over hills.
Bro, you almost sent us straight to heaven there. Keegs almost sent us straight to heaven. I just got back from it. Animals should be wild though, Christopher. The idea is we don't shoot pets, we shoot wild animals. So I don't really want them to be domesticated when I shoot them. I prefer them wild. Yes, bro, I can't wait till I get my gun. Oh, talking about that, where's Bernie with my docs? Yo, Kiki.
I just gotta trust the man, bro.
Bro, that looks pretty sick, bro. Almost looks like we
actually look like we know what we're doing.
Bro, this actually looks like it's serious. Bro, that looks mental. Chronic, I like Muller.
Did Chronic do that?
Bro, I told you, Chronic's a man of many talents.
Nah, it's proper.
Chronic is a man of many, many talents. Nah, bro, Chronic is absolute Nee, Dakke, ons moet gaan jag. Ek gaan vir jou bok betaal. Maar dit moet ene wees wat se horingkie gebreek is of iets, dat ons hom vir halfprys kan kry. Maar guys, and if anyone knows in the chat that's got contacts, a Burris Eliminator 6. Or, yeah, no, I'm not gonna go. Or even the 5 maybe. If you know of somebody that wants to sell it, please let me know.
If you want me, if you need me,
Ruan, jy, ja, yes dude, 60 G's for yeah, so if anyone, Burris Eliminator, yo, a mango. I might as well just go for the new one. Oh, 47, bro. Sale ends in 3 days. Oh, shit. Eliminator 6. $51. $48. No, Ruan, it's phenomenal. So my uncle has got the 6, the 5, and the 3. So but he said the reason he said rather go for the 6 is the 5 down. You can't shoot at night. You can't see anything through the scope. Where with the 6 you can do night hunting now. So he said that's the only pet peeve he's got, and I shot with his as well. So no, it's phenomenal. And a lot of guys don't know, Ruan, you get a lifetime warranty on it. You literally get a lifetime warranty on it. Where, for instance, the DS is double the price, but you don't get a lifetime warranty. Yeah, DS 122, and you don't even get a lifetime warranty on it. That kicks 122k for a scope.
There you being ripped off.
Huh?
I don't care what they're telling you, bro. You being ripped off there.
How much is that? I'll have that. Chris, look at Acra Optics, very well priced and great quality Acra. Yeah, I got the 6.5 PRC, Ruan. So you have to put a Paris on that. That thing is built for long range. Acra Optics, let's see here. Okay, no, Acra here. Your gigs are so like again, bro.
Which one?
The Scorpion.
Bro, that looks like something straight out of Battlefield.
But it's a like again. It's
Isn't there a Scorpion in Battlefield?
Yeah. Did I not show you that photo where I was, where the CS guns like the Steyr AUG? This is the counter-terrorist gun in CS.
Oh, yeah.
And then they had that AR-12. We have 3 rifles with Leopold scopes, and scopes is meant. Yeah, Leopold is good. No, I got a 6.5. 6.5, not the Creedmoor, the PRC. So I got the Tikka 6.5 PRC. Where's the 6.5? Let's Creedmoor PRC. Oh, that's the one I got. Only thing is I got the stainless, not the mild steel. Very smooth action, like that thing slides out. Yeah, so this is a long range weapon. I purchased. Brian, but you're a kind person. Like, I can see you've been interacting with me. It's starting to rub off on you.
Just say also, bro, you must do the giveaway, huh?
Oh yeah. Let's do that. Can you have auto? Yeah, you can. I'm busy now with my dedicated hunter and sports shooter. Then you can have as many guns as you want. You're not limited to 4. Yeah, and then I just got the little Gloggy. .43X. Slimline. Okay. I got this one. So I hope you guys are ready for some desk pops in 3 months time. Keegs, you must be ready for some desk pops, my brother.
I will pay to see that, bro.
Rip a desk pop. Yasti. Desk pops all around. No, you can't, bro. You can't do that. Like, I laughed when I said I was gonna do it, but after you do your competence and stuff, then you realize like you can't be doing desk pops.
Bro, who's gonna know? How are they gonna know?
Desk top is not real. Nat shoot. So I did my competency through Falcon. Keith, you check that gold star I got there, guys. I just want to show you that gold star. The guy said he's never seen a guy who can shoot like that. It's not from Germany. While I was doing the thing, they actually nicknamed me the German sniper.
Were you also shooting with AI?
No, that was not even. Ray, imagine how I'm going to shoot with the AI. Once I put that virus on, connected it to Claude AI, tools weather. See this, ladies and gents. Geeks, this is what allowed me to get the weaponry. Yeah, so net shoot, and then you just, then you just need to pay your annual membership, and then you just need to order the book, study material, okay, and then once you are through the book you can write the exam. Then after you've done the exam they're going to give you your targets you need to shoot. They're going to give you your targets that you need to shoot for your practical, and then yeah, then you just have to do 2 hunts a year and 2 sport shooting events to keep your dedicated status.
You think if we meditate, bro, the trades will come to us?
I don't know anymore, dude. US that is so far out of zone. It's only Nasdaq. I might get an ass trade, Keeks.
I'm not breaking that rule, bro.
I'm breaking that rule today. Here we go, boys and girls. $20 stop. That's if we don't break through. Just delete this thing before it. No, you wouldn't struggle as a 19-year-old. If you've got your competency and you've got all of the other stuff, it's literally all online. You go online, you register, you write the exam, you pass the thing. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here. We're in zone. Bro, what is Bernie doing with my things, bro?
Bernie.
Oh, she's getting all my documents ready for the submission. Looks like it wants to potentially break out, guys. Can't short on this. Yeah, I'm not gonna waste a lot of time here, Kiggs. I'm just gonna monitor NAS. Can't talk with them.
Bro, do you want to go with this one? The newer. But I was checking the photos, yeah. It does take the camera. So on my screen is this one.
So does the Illigato not take the camera?
The one from Take a Lot?
Yeah.
It doesn't. I was going through the photos. Check when you look at it. It doesn't show. Because remember we said that hole looks a bit small, bro.
Yeah.
That camera, I don't know what camera fits in there. And also not one photo, there's a camera on it. Check, yeah, because that's what the back looks like. So your camera would normally sit there, but I don't know what camera would fit there to fit through that little hole, bro. And every photo they've got where it's on display, there's no camera with it.
Is that newer in South Africa?
Yeah. See what I said, it's a camera thing, and all of these are registered in South Africa, and they've got stock. They have the other one that they do sell the one that we were looking for, the other one, the Elgato that he has, but it's sold out. So we either wait or we can get this one, and it is in South Africa. I think we just get it, bro, because yeah, like it shows it is with the camera, everything. It's got the screen, so it is like what we're looking for, the LCD. Oh, so you can still literally plug it into your phone or your laptop. Ooh.
I think for now.
I'm just saying, just double check that, because that's just compatible with mobile phones or tablets. I rate that would still be compatible with.
Yeah, I think it says the extra. I'm just gonna eat quickly here, guys. Sorry, I don't wanna ASMR you guys.
Yeah, because they feeding it into their PCs.
I think as an additional feature, you can just plug in your
Yeah.
phone.
Yeah, screen mirroring. Adjustable camera mount. And the other one, also, I think it's actually an iPad, bro. Because on the description it doesn't say it comes with the
screen.
With a thing, yeah. Because yeah, it says you got the 11-inch HD beam splitter, which is the one that we look at.
Yeah.
And then it's a built-in 9-inch LCD monitor. So it's got the monitor, where this thing just talks about the screen. It doesn't say it's got a monitor.
I think that newer one is sick, bro.
So I think we just go with the newer.
Yeah.
If it's not what we're looking for, we just send it back. But
Yeah.
let me take that off screen.
Especially for the long form, it's gonna be like that.
Especially if we know we're gonna push hard with that now. So. Right. As I move to the side now, literally you saw it.
Sold out.
Sold out.
Maybe phone them, maybe that's what a supplier. Maybe it's our rival, that's all we wanted to buy it.
Let's keep looking, yeah. Okay, well I've got another one, yeah.
Lure.
The Corsair Elgato.
For how much?
They're the same 5.8. It's got the monitor.
So that is the same as the other one.
Hey?
That's the one that's out the camera. I think it's like for a phone or something. I don't think it's for a camera though.
Facecam Pro bracket.
Cheers, Ruan. Yeah, no, I'm also not gonna stay.
I think literally at 10 now, bro.
I've got my alerts set. If it comes into zone, I know what I want to do at each zone. So if it's not in zone,
Bro, how is everyone sold out to these things? And the one everyone has stock of is the one we don't want.
maybe after stream we can phone camera world quickly. Alrighty guys, I'm not going to waste anybody's time any further. There is literally nothing for me on the charts. We're not close to anything where I want to engage the markets. I think like we had a discussion yesterday with one of our members, and we said it's understanding that regime change currently where headlines are forcing markets to move. And when do the headlines come out? The headlines come out there in NYSE. So why try and force something in London if London is also waiting for further headlines, further clarifications? So I've set my zones. You guys can go and re-watch the analysis. I've given you everything that I'm going to be doing. And yeah, DAX is most probably the only one if we can get it into this zone where I will look for a nice little bounce play there. And then obviously Nasdaq if we can get a breakout there. But again, what volume follow through are we going to have? I wanted to short here, no entry criteria for me though. So unfortunately no trade. This is not how I want to enter into shorts. It can absolutely just grind down, but no trade for me. So, yeah, guys, that is unfortunately part of trading. You're not going to get a trade every session, every day, and you need to be comfortable with that. But if you're a German sniper like me and Keegs, we sometimes headshot you guys with a loss, like yesterday. And sometimes we headshot the market for a 5-hour day, so all depends on where you're aiming. But also remember, the sniper waiting for a perfect shot died with a full magazine. So, Chad, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, same place, same time. And then Project G, we'll see you guys for NYSE, where I think this build up
Could give us something.
I definitely think it's going to be a goodie. So, guys, peace and love. If you want to trade live with us in the afternoon, !G to join Project G, to get access to our strategies, to get access to everything else. It's all in there. Go have a look. If not, there's a lot of free resources here as well for you guys to consume. But, Chad, peace and love, baby. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Cheers, Chad.
Peace.
anymore. You told me it was war, said you'd show me what's in store. I hope it's not for sure. Can you open up the door? Did you take my love away from Saw you seat at the counter when I looked away. Saw you turn around, but it wasn't your face. Said I need to be alone now, I'm taking a break. How come when I returned you were